Hyundai Veloster N. Hyundai unveiled its high-performance Veloster N model for the U.S. market at the 2018 North American International Auto Show. Hyundai's first U.S. market N model leverages the outstanding, new for 2019 Veloster platform, showcasing an even higher level of performance appealing to the most discerning of automotive enthusiasts. Hyundai's high-performance N lineup was developed to make the driver's heart beat faster whenever they're behind the wheel. Instead of focusing on outright performance numbers, Hyundai chose to emphasize the N driver's heartbeats per minute, BPM, rather than revs per minute, RPM. With fun-to-drive character as a top priority, Veloster N has been developed to deliver thrilling cornering ability coupled with everyday sports car drivability and racetrack capability. Hyundai Veloster N was born in Nijmegen, Hyundai's global R&D center, and was thoroughly honed at its Nürburgring-based testing center in Germany. The Veloster N begins production in September 2018 in Ulsan, Korea, with U.S. market availability in the fourth quarter of 2018. Veloster N takes Hyundai to a new level of purchase consideration for true driving enthusiasts in the U.S. market, said Albert Biermann, President and Head of Performance Development and High Performance Vehicle Division, Hyundai Motor Group. The Veloster N is another example of Hyundai Motors' capabilities, creating an exciting sports car with thrilling dynamics combined with a compelling affordability equation as key to the N high-performance concept. The Hyundai Veloster N offers a comprehensive degree of exterior, interior and mechanical differentiation even beyond the Veloster Turbo and R-Spec models. N exterior differentiation. From the outside, Veloster N provides an exclusive N-design front fascia and grille with dedicated front air ducts for enhanced brake cooling. In profile, exclusive N-design rocker side sills and available lightweight 19-inch alloy wheels with a machine-finish dual-spoke star design clearly differentiate the N model from other Veloster models. Tires are of the ultra-high performance category, with standard 225/40 R18 Michelin Pilot Supersport summer tires for the 18-inch wheel design and exclusive compound 235/35 R19 Pirelli P0 summer tires for the available 19-inch alloy wheel. The rear of the Hyundai Veloster N sports a larger N-design rear spoiler, rear fascia design with integrated diffuser, and performance diameter, high-flow dual exhaust. N interior design. On the inside, Hyundai Veloster N offers exclusive N-design front cloth sport seats with performance-focused bolstering, N-design steering wheel, shift knob, N-logo door sill plates, and N-design instrument cluster. Interior details are accented by an N-performance blue accent theme. As engine speed approaches redline, the N-design center cluster displays a progressive sequential shift indicator, alerting the driver of an impending shift point for maximum acceleration. N powertrain. Mechanically, Hyundai Veloster N offers a larger 2.0-liter, direct-injected turbocharged power plant over the Veloster Turbo. The engine boasts up to an available 275 horsepower at 6,000 rpm, estimated, and up to 260 pound-foot of torque from 1,450 to 4,700 rpm, estimated, for responsive, thrilling performance at every RPM range. The turbo system intercooler is isolated from the condenser and radiator for even more efficient cooling of the intake charge. The system also benefits from a two-stage induction system for maximum output at all RPM ranges. The engine compression ratio is 9.5:1, high for a turbocharged engine. The high-performance engine is backed up by a close ratio, short-throw 6-speed manual transmission with downshift rev matching capability. The transmission uses carbon-coated synchro rings and gear material reinforcement for smoother operation and lower overall shift force coupled with a positive engagement feel. The Veloster N clutch also utilizes a double-layer facing clutch disc design for increased burst strength and torque capability. In addition, the powertrain sports a multi-mode, high-flow active sport exhaust system with a variable exhaust actuator. In N mode, this system yields an exhilarating engine overrun exhaust crackle during spirited driving upshifts and rev-matched downshifts. N suspension geometry and tuning. Generous torque from the turbocharged powertrain is smoothly and efficiently driven to the tarmac by an N PowerSense axle design. Veloster N's PowerSense axle geometry features a zero scrub radius for more precise steering, quicker response, and a direct on-center feel, with increased steering linearity. The geometry is further optimized for linear torque buildup and corner exit precision. Roll angle is also decreased due to a shorter roll moment arm, resulting in enhanced grip. The motor-driven power steering system is rack-mounted and secured at 3 locations for reduced flex and more direct handling, especially during high-performance driving. For even greater body rigidity and suspension precision under high dynamic cornering loads, a specially designed, unobtrusive rear strut brace reinforces the rear multi-link suspension mounting points. Unique suspension tuning is derived from a multi-mode electronically controlled suspension with a track-focused N mode available. The suspension uses a load transfer control system that reduces dive during braking, enhances roll control during cornering and reduces rear suspension compression under hard acceleration. Outstanding cornering is further achieved via an available electronically controlled N corner carving limited slip differential. The N corner carving differential improves launch performance, reduces acceleration slip understeer and increases maximum cornering speed via precise torque vectoring. Hyundai Veloster N offers a wide range of driver tuning preference via its N-Grin control system drive mode selection system. Modes include Normal, Sport, N, Eco and N Custom, differentiating engine throttle response, engine speed rev matching, exhaust note, active differential tuning, suspension damping rates, steering feel and yaw control characteristics. N Custom mode allows comprehensive driving character preferences via uniquely customizable settings for each tunable driving attribute. N braking. Hyundai Veloster N available braking offers oversized 13.6-inch performance rotors on the front axle and 12.4-inch rotors on the rear, for confident, heat-dissipating braking performance coupled with a firm pedal feel. Standard Veloster N brake rotors are 13.0 inches in the front and 11.8 inches in the rear. N color. Hyundai Veloster N models are available in 4 exterior colors for the US market: Ultra Black, Chalk White, Racing Red, and N Exclusive Performance Blue, inspired by Hyundai Motorsport. Interior combinations are black with unique molding accent colors tailored to the exterior combination.